Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello Etiens! Finally, nakabili na ng first car niya itong si Ken mula sa kanyang pinabaguang salapi ng tagumpay na walang naapakang tao at nakabili siya ng sasakyan, of course.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple puff.
Suck me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Feeling the lumps inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what